Okay, my heroes, today's lesson is solve multi-step problems, and this lesson is interesting. And what we will do today, we will solve questions like question number 3 here. Write the heading question, then draw bar diagrams and write equations to solve each problem. Use estimation to decide if your answer is reasonable. So let's read the question. Martin wrecked 3 loans last week and 4 loans this week and earned $168. He earned the same amount wrecking each loan. How much did Martin earn wrecking each loan? Okay, so in this case, what should we do? Oh, we'll see, but we'll start first in page. You tell me, my heroes. 340. Thank you, my heroes. Now, I will play a video. Yes, my heroes. I heard you. Ibrahim, thank you. And my heroes, mute your mics. Now I will play a video. Again, mute your mic. Mute your mic.
How can you use diagrams and equations to solve multi-step problems? Think about this question during the lesson. Last year, 18 people went on a family camping trip. How many more people went this year than last year? 18 people went last year, and 3 times as many people went this year. What is the problem asking you to do? Find how many more people went camping this year than last year.
There is more than one step to solve this problem.
We call this, my hero, the main question. My heroes, mute your mics. We call this one the main question.
You can use bar diagrams to help you make sense and persevere in solving multi-step problems. Step 1. Find the hidden question and use a bar diagram and equation to answer it.
Okay. What do you think, my heroes, is the heading question?
It's how many people went 3 times as last.
Wow, who's this?
Muhammad Shab'an.
Muhammad, you are a hero. Yes, this is the heading question. Let's continue.
You are given the number of people who went on the family camping trip last year. So the hidden question is, how many people went on the family camping trip this year? What operation is needed to solve the hidden question?
Oh, sorry.
Select your answer.
Okay, I will go back because I moved from this one.
What operation is needed to solve the hidden question?
Abdulaziz Anwar.
Select your answer.
Sorry, Abdurrahman Anwar. Abdurrahman Anwar.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman, what operation should we use to find to solve the heading question?
Okay. What do I, teacher?
This is Abdurrahman, right? Everyone else, please mute your mics.
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman, what operation should we use to find 3 times as many as 18?
Teacher, I know it.
No, I want Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, you don't know how to find 3 times as many as 18?
Teacher, I'm late in the class. I'm late in the class. I have a problem.
Okay, now answer me. Just answer me. You
Teacher,
can see
can I
my screen? No, no, no. You can see my screen, Abdurrahman?
Teacher, I cannot hear you, teacher.
You cannot hear me also? Okay, I'll choose another hero to answer. Okay. Abdurrahman, when you
Teacher,
come back,
can't hear
please tell
you.
me. Abdulaziz Maher. علي القطان. دانيال
Mister, I
عيسى.
am here.
علي القطان.
Mister, I am here.
Yes, Ali.
Mister,
I am here.
Mister.
My name is multiply.
This is Ali, right?
العزيز ماما.
Okay. علي القطان.
Mister, I am عبد العزيز العيسون.
Okay, Abdulaziz, wait. علي القطان. Ali?
is not here.
What teacher? What teacher? I
What
am
operation? Ali! You're wasting time. I don't know what's the problem.
Teacher,
Abdulaziz,
teacher.
Ibrahim, mute your mic. Abdulaziz Meher.
Mister, I am here.
Okay, Abdulaziz,
Yes,
what
I'm here.
operation should we use?
Times.
Of course, which one should I choose?
Multiply.
Multiplication. So I will take multiplication and I will put it in this place, and thank you, it's correct.
Multiplication is needed to solve the hidden question. How does the bar diagram show that you need to multiply? The bar diagram shows that you know the starting number and how many times as many, but the total is unknown. You can write the equation 3 times 18 equals P. Since 3 times 18 equals 54, P equals 54. This year, 54 people went on the camping trip.
Abdulaziz, thank you, mute your mic.
Okay.
Step 2. Use the answer to the hidden question to answer the original question. How many more people went?
Yes? Yes, my hero, what do you want?
I want to answer.
Okay, answer what? Where's the question? I will ask a question. Muhammad, mute your mic.
No, I am Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz, which one?
Abdulaziz.
What's the question, Abdulaziz, now? Okay, wait for the question, Abdulaziz. Okay. Wait.
This year than last year.
Okay.
Now that you know how many people went camping this year, what operation is needed to find how many more went camping this year than last year?
Okay, Abdulaziz.
Okay.
What operation?
The operation multiplication.
No, of course no. When you need to know how many more went this year than the last year. It's not multiplication.
It is divide.
More means divide. More means plus or minus, addition or subtraction. So in this case, we need to know how many more. So
It's plus.
plus, no, my hero, this is subtraction. Thank you.
Subtraction is needed to solve the original question. How does the bar diagram show that you need to subtract? The bar diagram shows that you know the starting number and the total, but you do not know the difference. You can write the equation 54 minus 18 equals m. Since 54 minus 18...
Okay. Abdulaziz Abbad, you can see the bar diagram, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you see that we have total 54 for this year, and for the last year it's 18, and we need to know the other parts, m, and in this case what operation we use? What operation should we use?
Mine.
Yes, minus, subtraction. Thank you, my hero.
equals 36. M equals 36. 36 more people went this year than last year. Now you know how to use diagrams and equations to solve multi-step problems.
We call these problems multi-step because we do more than one step. In this problem, we did 2 steps. Multiplication to find the heading question, the number of people this year, and we used subtraction to answer the main question, which is how many more than the last year. So we used multiplication, then subtraction. Okay, my heroes, let's move back to the book. And we have a question down here.
Teacher,
Yes, Ibrahim?
I don't understand the M.
M? Okay.
What mean M?
M
Like 54
is a variable,
minus 18.
unknown. We use it to form the equation. Like when I can say m plus 2 equals 5, then solve the equation to find m.
Plus. Yes?
M is a letter that we use as unknown for the thing that we do not know.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll see in this question the same. We will use a letter also.
Yeah.
Okay, I will choose one of my heroes to help. Karar.
Teacher, I'm Muhammad. I want to answer.
Here.
Okay, Karar.
I'm here.
Okay, my hero.
Yes, I'm here.
Identify one or more heading question that needed to be solved for the following problem. Solve the heading questions and answer the problem. Okay, can you read the question? Suppose 18. Go ahead.
Suppose 18 more people are going on the camping trip next year than this year. How many times as many people are going on the camping trip next year than went last year?
Okay, my hero, the first thing, you can see the main question, right? The main question, how many times, this is the main question, how many times as many people are going on camping trip next year than went last year? Okay, so this is the main question.
Okay.
I need now the heading question.
This?
Okay, let's start first with the video. In the video, what was the number last year? And what was the number this year?
18.
The number last year was 18. And this year, 54. Okay, so this is from the video, my heroes. Now, what question do you need to answer first to solve the main question? Can you read the main question again? There is noise around you, my hero. Or there is someone else using the mic? Okay. Karar,
Yes.
read the main question again. How many?
How many? How many times or many people are going on the camping trip next year than went last year?
Wait. Do you have the number of next year?
No.
No. So, what should you find first? The next year, right? So, this is the heading
Yes.
question. We call this heading question because the first thing that you should need to do is find the number of people for the next year. Okay. The number for the next year is 18 more than this year. What's the number of this year?
54.
So we should do 54 more 18. We add 18. So we should use addition, right?
Yes.
So 54 plus 18. Okay, add with me, my hero. 4 plus 8.
12.
2 and carry up 1. Okay.
And 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7.
So it's 72. So here I will write 72. This is the number of next year. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's move to the main question. The main question, how many times as many people are going on the camping next year than last year? How many more next year than last year?
72.
72 for the next year. Okay, thank you, my hero. I will choose another hero to continue. Salman.
Teacher, can I say something, but you're gonna get a little bit worried.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Salman, just give me a second. Who's speaking? Rakan?
Yes.
Okay, Rakan, ask.
So I can talk Arab, but I don't know how to say it in Arab. But I will say, أنا اليوم أخذت أنا.
No, use
عملية
English,
أسنان.
please. Do not speak Arabic.
I don't know how to say it.
Try.
But I'm gonna.
Try.
So I was in the hospital. The
Okay.
more I talk, the more my cheek gets a lot bigger. My cheek is bigger, so if I talk a lot, my cheek is gonna be big. I can talk a lot.
Okay, my hero, I see. Okay, I hope you get well soon, inshallah. And Salman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Salman, the main question, I will erase all this because this is too much lines here. Okay, I'll erase it all. This is 72.
Teacher, I wrote it all.
Okay, no problem.
I wrote it.
And now the main question asks us how many times as many people are going next year than last year. Okay, give me any letter to use as the number for how many. What do we mean by how many times? This is multiplication, right?
Yes.
Okay, so give me any letter. M, N, okay, N. N times times last year to get next year. What's last year?
18.
To get the next year, no, not the next year, which is, yes, 72.
32.
Now we need to solve to find n. This is equation, and we have unknown. The n, we call it unknown. We use it just to help us to know what should we do. What should we do? The inverse of multiplication, which is division, right?
Division, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can do this simply by going through the timetable of 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 18, because
Times 18. 3 times 18.
okay,
4
let's
times
start. 1 times 18, 18. 2 times
18,
18, 36.
36.
Okay, 3 times 18, 3 times 8,
3 times 8 equals 40,
24.
40, 24.
Okay, 1 times 3
1 times 3 equals 3.
plus 2.
Plus more equals 5.
Okay, let's continue. 4 times 18.
equal, 4 times 18 equal 4 times 18 equals 64.
No, 4 times 8 first.
4 times 8 equals
32.
32. So 3. You
Okay,
have to
2
put
and carry up 3. Now 1 multiplied by 4.
And 3 plus 3 more equals 7.
So this one which we should use. So the answer n equals what?
72. 4.
4. So n equals 4. So the answer to the main question, how many times? So the answer is 4 times.
4 times
4 times the last year is next year.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, you can write quickly. And my heroes, I call this timeline.
I finished.
I call this part timeline in the top here. And it's very important for you to understand and solve this question. Okay. This is draft. I will erase it. Okay, finish quickly, my heroes. And Ibrahim Osama, now you know what's the N.
Yes.
Ibrahim, you know what is the meaning of this N? Okay, it's called unknown. We use it just to form an equation. That's all. Okay, my heroes, you have 30 seconds to finish writing.
I finished, teacher.
Great.
I wrote
I like my
everything you
heroes.
wrote,
Okay,
so I can understand the lesson more better,
great.
more good,
Great work, Muhammad.
more clearly.
Okay, my heroes, now we will move to the next
Teacher.
page.
Teacher,
Yes?
I finished writing.
Okay, I will raise it. And now we are solving
Teacher.
question number 3. My hero, say your name.
Dollar TV.
Yes, Abdullah.
Yeah, quiz.
What?
Quiz we have.
Of course, my hero, we have. Danielle? Danielle? Hussein Al-Hamad?
Yes, mister, I am here.
Okay, Hussein. Martin read
Okay.
3 loans last week and 4 loans this week and earned $168. My hero, 168 for this week or last week?
Last week.
Are you sure?
No, this week.
This week.
This week, yes.
Yes.
This week.
So, this week is 168. What about this one?
Huh?
Why do we have the last week also?
3.
The 168 is for this week only?
Yes. No. We have this week we have 168 and 4.
No, the 168 is the money for this week or the money for the last week or for the money of them together.
Stan, your voice is lagging.
Okay, I will ask again the question. The 168 is for this week or for the last week? Ali Saleh? Ali Saleh? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
This is Ali.
I'm Saleh.
Okay, my hero. Answer my question. The 168 is for this week or for last week?
168. It's for last week.
No. The 168 is for both of them. Okay, Hassan, we will continue, and Ali also, you are with me also. He earned the same amount of racking each loan. How much did Martin earn racking each loan? So this is the main question. To solve this question, we should find first the total number of times he racked a loan. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so what's the total number?
3 and 4
Yes, 3 plus 4 equals?
equals 7.
7 times, right? 7 times of racking the loans. Okay? So he did it 4 times. Now, for the 7 times 168. Ali, how to find the number that he gets each time? Let's form an equation, my hero.
What, teacher?
Let's use a letter M. And I use M now for the number that he gets, the price that he gets.
Teacher.
He did it how many times? He did it how many times? 7 times.
Yeah.
And what's the total that he gets?
168.
Okay, now, how to find the M?
168 divided by 7.
Okay, my hero, go ahead and divide quickly. 1 divided 7 equals 0. 16 divided 7 equals 2. Okay, I think Ali's not here. So Hassan?
Teacher, what does that mean?
2 multiplied by 7 is...
Teacher, I am here. I'm Muhammad Saleh.
Continue, my hero. 14, subtract, it will be 2. Drop the next digit.
8.
28 divided 7.
28 divided by 7 equals 4.
And 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. So subtract, you will get zeros.
0.
So, what's the M? 24. So he gets $24. So the answer to the question is $24 each time. Okay.
This is my name, Hassan.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my heroes, in the first question, a store had 40 oranges in a bin. If they threw away 25 and put 21, mute your mic, mute your mic, mute your mic. My heroes, you are interrupting me. Yusuf and Muhammad Mansour, mute your mic. So we will do the first thing, subtracting 40 minus 25. This is the heading question. To find how many oranges left after throwing 25. Then add 21. So this case 40 minus 25, then add 21. The answer will be 36. The next question. Jason wants to buy a game. The cost is $20. He earns $2 every time he washes the dishes. He was washing the dishes 3 times. He has washed the dishes three times. How many more times? To answer how many more times, you should first answer the heading question. How many times in all do he need to wash the dishes? 20
7.
divided by 2. No,
10.
not 7.
10.
10, yes. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. This is the heading question. And to answer the main question, how many more? He did it 3 times. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So the final answer is 7, and the answer to the heading question is 10. And the last question, Susie bought an iPad for $432 and a case for $57. And she gives the cashier $500. How much will she get back? The heading question is the total price of the iPad with the case together. So you should add 432 plus 57. And when you get this number, subtract it from 500. Okay? And you will get the answer, which is $11. So add first to get the total cost, then subtract to get the remainder. Okay? Any questions, my heroes?
No.
Thank you, my heroes.
No.
See you next week, inshallah, and goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.